There is no such thing as an unsuccessful product launch.
失敗したプロダクトローンチというものは存在しない。
Please remove the word unsuccessful when you talk about your product launch. That makes you think lightly about your product launch that you are putting so much energy and effort into. Thinking about failing is a trigger to get you down. If you know that there is no unsuccessful product launch, you will keep doing Kaizen and you will launch your product. When you talk about your product launch list or sales, please remove the word only X amount of dollars. Making the first sales is the hardest part, a great achievement, and it means there are people willing to buy your products. You have to celebrate your first sales instead of describing only this amount of sales. Trust yourself, move on to the next product launch. You are on the way to have a successful product launch.